In September, Germany will host the EMO exhibition, a major event for machine tools, and GENTIGER machinery from Taiwan will also participate in this exhibition. Since its establishment in 1995, GENTIGER has always adhered to the business philosophy of precision, efficiency, and professionalism, striving to become a leading manufacturer in Taiwan's machine tool industry. At this year's EMO exhibition, they will showcase their latest product, the GT-S400D 5-axis machining center, to the world. The GT-S400D 5-axis machining center is a meticulously designed and highly efficient machining equipment by GENTIGER. It features a newly reinforced cast iron structure, providing robust support and high-precision performance. With outstanding support strength and the ability to accommodate multi-angle machining, it ensures high precision in machining requirements. The inclusion of a high-precision DD motor rotary worktable further enhances machining accuracy. The design of a drum-type tool magazine saves tool changing time, ensuring continuity in the production process and improving production efficiency. Moreover, they have taken automation into consideration and reserved an automation interface, allowing customers to easily implement automation expansion with robotic arms or workpiece storage systems, thereby increasing efficiency and saving costs. Lastly, safety is always their top priority, which is why they have equipped the machine with an interference collision prevention function to ensure safety during the machining process. If you are interested in GENTIGER Machinery's GT-S400D 5-axis machining center, be sure to visit their booth at Hall 14, F6 during the EMO exhibition. GENTIGER's professional team will demonstrate the outstanding performance and features of the machine.